Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add some vintage vibes on your videos by adding the CapCut Nostalgic Frame in the CapCut Mobile. So here, just add your videos into CapCut like this. And after that, head to the video effect. So click on the effect, video effects. Here, swipe through the category, then select the vlog category. So here, scroll down and you'll easily find this nostalgic effect. You can see now the video will look like this. You can always adjust it. You can adjust the filter. I'm going to just go with 100 to make the filter looks retro or vintage. Here you can also adjust the lateral chromatic aberration and also the longitudinal chromatic. Okay, when you're done, just click on a check icon, apply it to the entire clip, and this is the final result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye!